welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll be discussing about interfaces in Golang. So basically, what are interfaces? As per the definition, interfaces are named collection of method signatures. So hope you might remember the what are methods in Golang. If you're not aware, please do watch my previous video. It was all about methods. So interfaces are named collection of, which means it is a collection of names of methods, right? And methods are like how in classes we define methods, right? So uh, here also we define methods. So you go and watch the previous video, okay, for methods. Let's begin with the code. So let's say I have a struct. Okay, let's say I have a struct name rect. Okay, and yeah, and what does this struct do is it basically takes the length and width. Cool. And let's say it is of float 64 type. Fine. Let's say I have type circle. Okay, and it is of struct type. If you are not aware about structs, what are structs, go watch my videos. I have explained with examples there, so do watch that. Let's say circle radius takes float 64 again. Okay. Okay. Now let's say we want to get the area of a rectangle. Okay, so what we'll write is func r from rectangle. Okay, then area is of float type, float 64 again. Sorry, area will return this float 64. Okay, hope you are aware that what we will pass here, why we are passing all this here, right? You are aware of that. I am assuming that because you might have watched my previous videos. If not, this is little advanced level. Go watch my previous videos. So area, I'll say rectangle, its length. Okay, its length into width. Cool. So this is the area of rectangle. Let's say circle. Let's say we want a area of circle also, right? It is again float 64. It is again float 64 and it returns. What is an area of what do we call an area, right? It is mat dot pi c dot radius, right, into c dot radius. Cool. C dot radius, and because we are doing this math here, we have to import it also. Fine. If you don't know why we are importing, if you don't know what is this main package, start from the starting. Like I have made a video on all of this, so go watch, and please don't forget to like the video because I am putting my efforts, and I can see the result only by the likes, right, and the subscriptions. Cool. This is the area. Now let's say I want, let's say I, no, let's not print it here. Let's take a, okay, I'm doing, let's pass some values here. uh, Length is 3, let's say. Width is 10, let's say. Okay, let's say Z. Okay, and circle is 6, let's say. Okay, and what do we want is, let's define a function measurement, which will basically measure, okay. So measure what, which will basically measure the area. Cool. Basically what it will do is, so the here comes the interface. What I said, interface is a named collection of methods. Named collection interface, let's say. This is how we do interface, how we declare interface. This is a named collection of functions, methods, sorry. Okay, so here if you see, what we are saying is, we have type geometry, which is an interface. Okay, and it takes area. So whatever methods are declared with the name of area and which returns float 64 value will be considered here. Okay, so what all functions here, area, float 64, right? This will be considered, which means rectangle, where we are taking rectangle, then circle. Okay, these two areas will be considered. So here what we'll do is, G will make a geometry, we make a G, not geometry, we'll make like this. And what I'll do is, I'll say G dot area. So whatever you pass here, okay, it will get the area of that. Let it be a rectangle type or it will be a circle type. See, we have made two objects, one is from rectangle, one is from circle. So now if I'll say, measure R, or if I'll say measure Z, right? So let's see what we get. Okay. Oh, we are not printing it. See, we got area of both 3 into 10 and this. Fine. Cool, right? So this is what interface is. Hope you like the video. Please do like, subscribe, and comment if you face any problem. Okay. Bye bye.